Hi there you, my beading friends. I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings out of Bicones and seed beads. They are really easy to make, nothing difficult, nothing complicated, and they come with easy step-by-step instructions, so I'm sure that you're going to be able to make them. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and all of you that have any questions concerning my videos. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. And now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay, so for this video what you're going to need are 6mm black Bicones, 12 of them, and 4mm red Bicones, and I'm using 36 of them for a pair of earrings, and I'm using seed beads in silver and black colors. Here for this project I'm using lever bags. My earring findings are lever bags. This is one earring just to be like a pattern here, to use it like a pattern. And I'm using size 10 beading needle, monofilament, you could use other beading thread of your choice, fireline or other stuff, and I'm using scissors. I'm using flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle, but they are not obligatory if you use flat beading thread. Okay, so now I'm going to start by taking about an arm span of thread and putting it on my needle, and I'll be back. Forgot to tell you that my monofilament is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I squeeze it with my flat nose pliers, and then I put it here on my size 10 beading needle, and I'm ready to go. Okay. And now guys, I'm going to start by taking 6 seed beads of this beautiful silver color. Okay, and I have my 6 here, and I want to slide them down. Okay, just like that. And here what I want to do is make a knot, and I will make a knot by making a loop and going twice with my tail thread through that loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Okay, and now this is what I have. And I'm going through some beads in this direction. Okay guys, and now I'm going to take, as I'm exiting here from this one of my silvers, I'm going to take one 4mm Bicone. I'm going to slide it down. I think 3mm Bicones will work too for this project. I'm taking one seed bead, sliding it down as well, and then I will skip it and go directly through the Bicone, and then through the next silver. Now this is what I have here. I have my Bicone fixed. Then I will take one more Bicone, one more seed bead, slide them down, skip this seed bead and go through the next silver, just like that. And I'm pulling to fix them to come closer. Okay, then one more Bicone, one more seed bead, slide down, skip the silver, go through the Bicone and through the next silver. Okay, and guess what? I'm going to repeat this 3 more times. Okay guys, and here I'm adding my last bicone. And what I want to do is go through this bicone and through one of my silvers. And I will bend this tail here. And now I will take one of my 6mm bicones. And as I'm exiting from this silver, I will go through the next one. Okay. And I'm going to repeat this until the end of this row. Okay, and here I'm adding my last bicone. And now I will continue by adding silver beads. Okay, I'm taking 2 silvers, going through the next bicone. Taking 2 more silvers, going through the next bicone. And I will repeat this for 4 more times. Okay, and now this row is ready and I'm going to do the next row. So for my next row I'm going through this silver, adding 1 black bead and then going through the following silver. And here I will add 1 bicone, 1 silver and 1 more bicone. So this is what I have on my needle. And I'm going through this silver here. I'm taking 1 black bead and going through the next silver, just like that. And now I need bicone, silver and bicone, going through the silver. And guess what? I'm continuing this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and here I just added my last beads from this row, and now what I want to do is go through this black bead here, and I want to take 3 of these beautiful silver seed beads. Okay, I have them here, and as I'm exiting from this black in this direction, I'm going back in circle through the same one. Okay, now this is what I have. And I'm going through this bicone, through the silver one after that, and through the following bicone. Okay, and after that I'm going through the bicone, through the silver in this direction, through the following bicone, and then through this silver here, just like that, then through the black one, and I will take 3 more silvers, just like that, and I'm going back through this black one, and You could go through the silver as well. Then through the bicone, the silver, and going out from the other side. Don't worry, it bends like this in the beginning. We will make an additional thread bridge around it and it will stay fixed. Okay, so now I'm going here through this silver and then through the black one, and add 3 more silvers. Then go through the bicone. Okay, and continue doing this 3 more times, and I will do this off camera and I will meet you here and I will tell you what's coming up next. Okay, and I just added my last 3 silvers from this row, and now I told you that I'm going to make an additional thread bridge and fix those silvers to stay in this direction. This is how I'm doing this. So I'm going through this bicone, then I'm going through this silver, through the other silver, in fact through 3 of them, and then again through the bicone, and when I pull it stays in this direction. Okay, and I will continue this, going through the 3 of the silvers, and going through the bicone. Okay, fixing them to stay in this direction. And then I'll be back to tell you how to attach your ear wire. Okay guys, and when I went around all of my beads here at the edge, now they stay in the right direction, exactly as I want them. And I'm going through this silver, and I will take 1 silver, slide it down, then I will take my lever back and I will put it like this, and I will take 1 more seed bead, and I'm going back through this silver one here in circle. Then I'm going to reinforce this part here. Okay, and reinforce it at least 3 times. And when you're ready, it's time to make some knots. Okay, and I will make some knots by going through some beads, making here a loop, and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made and pulling, and then continue doing more and more knots, and after that go through the next bead after your last knot and cut your thread. Never cut next to a knot. Okay, that's it, and my earring will be ready soon. Okay guys, and now my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And I will answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. So ask me anything you want in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.